are planning to draw a very cute French fries. Would you like to join us? Yeah? Okay, let's go! Did you know that French fries originated in Belgium, not France? Yeah, interesting. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. So we're going to start by the bottom of the fries, okay? Let's make a straight line like this. Alright, now let's make slightly diagonal lines on each side, okay? Alright, good job! And now, let's make two short lines on each side, okay? Good job! Now let's make a slightly curved line to connect these two short lines, okay? Good job! Alright, I think we can now add the fries. So we're going to make two straight lines and then on the top we'll connect them, okay? Alright, now here's the fun part. We can add as many fries as we want. So yeah, continue making straight lines and connect them at the top. You can make a short one or a long one. Yeah, just have fun with it. Alright, well done, sugar. I think our fries now need eyes and mouth to make it super cute. Let's do that, okay? Make two circles as the eyes. Alright, now I'm gonna add two smaller circles as the highlights. And you can color it in as well. Ooh, I like your eyes. Okay, I'm going to color mine in black. I think I'm going to add eyelashes on mine. Alright, now all that's left to do is just add a smile. Okay, our fries looking really good, and all that's left to do is just
to color it.
yeah, let's do that. That was so good, right, Sugar?
Yeah, that was so good.
Yeah, I'm so glad that we could throw it together.
Thank you for teaching me, DooDee.
You're very welcome. I had so much fun. I hope you had fun as well. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe so that we can draw again together. Well, I hope all of you will have a nice day